So here we have these POWERTEC quick release ratcheting track saw clamps. Now these clamps are built really well. They're made of nice thick metal, they're really sturdy. They have about a 7 3/8 inch clamping range, this plastic protector pad to help not mar your material, and then of course this ratcheting mechanism that'll clamp down on the material. And they're also pretty easy to use. I bought these to use with my Kreg AccuCut track saw, but I didn't look at the measurements of this top piece, and they're just a little bit too thick to fit into this track. So I definitely recommend measuring these channels in your track saw to make sure the clamps will fit. Anyway though, they're not only good for track saws, you can also use them for clamping boards down to your table or clamping a few boards together. And here's a quick demonstration of that. Just take the clamp, slide the pieces together, then squeeze the handle and it'll activate the ratcheting mechanism. Once it's tight, it has a really strong hold on the material. When you're done, you just pull the trigger and that will release the clamp. And here's a little bit of a better look at that. Just slide these two pieces together and then squeeze the handle. Then they're clamped together pretty well. It's pretty hard to twist them. Then to undo it, you just pull this trigger and that'll release it. And I clamped it down so hard that it actually dented the wood. So yeah, overall I think these are a great set of track saw clamps. They're super heavy duty and they're easy to use.